So behind no particular god a crowd gathers. Everybody has their own, then no problem. Behind one god, 1,000 people gathered, trouble. Trouble or no? For sure trouble, isn't it? If all of us had our own gods, no fighting. Because we understood that anyway God is our making, let's make it the way we can relate to, you know. If you like a dog, you can have a god dog. You know, just reverse the spelling and it'll happen. You don't know whether God loves you or not, but your dog loves you for sure.
So as you guys can see,